Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date. So here I am sneaking around in the morning doing my little vlog for you guys so you know where all the cheap and free camp spots are. And here I am at Murray Falls. We are camped about 20 metres from the top of the stairs away from the base of these falls. There's a beautiful freshwater creek that runs along here for you to swim in, and it's just gorgeous. Let's have a little look at it. Now you can't actually swim at the base of these falls because it's fenced off, but there's like a 100-metre boardwalk that runs along the side where you can walk to look at the falls. It's very easy going, only a couple of steps. But oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. The mozzies are a little ferocious, but not too bad. How's that? Lovely. There's all these beautiful big granite boulders that run down the creek that make for the most beautiful little swimming holes. And if there's a day use area, we'll show you that later. Very beautiful. And then there's my early morning workout. I'm going to climb up these stairs. I'm actually down here doing some photos for my website and for iStock. So if you're looking for images, have a little look. So there's this boardwalk that runs out to the falls for all you people that are not so nimble on your feet, like myself. It's pretty easy going. It's a pretty little walk, runs right along the side of the creek and the falls. It's only about, I don't know, flat out being 100 metres. It's got little advantage spots on the way. Like I said, you can't swim at the base of these falls, but the creek runs down past it and it's very beautiful. Like we're right on the edge of the rainforest. Up until about 7:30 last night, we were the only ones here. See? No swimming at the base of the falls. I think mainly because the water runs in underneath two of those big rocks. Might kill a few people. You can stay at Murray Falls. There's a camping area, toilet block, huge massive flat area. I think the National Park site says it takes 150 people. To get to Murray Falls, you turn 21 kilometres north of Cardwell or 16 kilometres south of Tully off the highway at Bilyana. The drive is 20 kilometres in and it's all sealed except for the last 2 kilometres, which is a bit corrugated. But if you take it easy, you should be fine. There are no stores or fuel, so bring everything you need. There is also no phone or internet. You can have a fire in the fire ring when there's no fire ban. And so this is your open shower. It's just cold water. But it serves its purpose. Sitting in the middle of the paddock. No real privacy, but that's okay. It's just a flowing head. Cold shower. Works well. And then down here you've got toilets.
And they're full flushing toilets, so a bit spoiled. It's 2 men's and 2 women's, but the women, one lot of each is closed at the moment because it's fairly quiet here. There's only really us camping up there, and then this group camping down there. And then down here is your day use area.
You need to book online before arriving at national parks. It's $6.85 per person per night.
So this is down in the day use area. You can take the steps from the top camp down to here. And I just tell you, the mozzies are insane. It's got picnic tables. It's got a wood barbecue, so you'd have to bring your wood. There's no gas ones here. There's bins up in the top level car park. There's water taps in the top level car park in the camping area. There's lots of parking. And then it's got the little wood barbecue on the other side. Oh, there's bins down here as well.
You will need Aerogard and you will need mozzie coils.
They're your little barbecues. It's very cute. Someone's come up with an ingenious idea. Got a little stainless steel plate on top. Wood and away you go. That doesn't have a table in it. It's the only one with a lid over the top of it, no table. And another barbecue over there and a couple of tables as well. In the car park. And here's part of the creek. And there is rock slides. Looks like a ton of fun as well. That's one of the waterfalls. So I hope you like this. Keep in touch. Stay happy. See you on the next one.